In December 2022, Botcopy and Google hosted a hands-on workshop for the public sector. The topic? Contact Center AI for websites. The results were spectacular, and many of the attendees are now streamlining operations and making life better for citizens. Here are a few highlights from the workshop.
Today, we're going to be building chatbots for websites and mobile apps. So that's the exciting part. We're building little mini robots.
And Dustin's going to talk about San Jose because he knows it better than I do.
So they quickly found out that people were asking about flight status. They're basically doing a webhook with their database on the flight status here. So this is one of my favorite case studies. We've worked with the Student Aid Commission in the state of California. We've worked with Orange County, Colorado, the state of Minnesota. All of these have different departments. Each department has different needs.
Today's focus is on chat and live chat, and perfect for public sector agencies because with the Botcopy implementation, we can be ADA compliant. So I would kind of emphasize thinking about the overall picture of how these things kind of help out.
This is what we're gonna work on setup. We're gonna be doing this probably for the next hour. So Alex, over to you.
Okay, this is the Dialogflow CX console. So what you should see is the default welcome intent. So within a flow, basically what we have are routes. And within routes, you use intents. We'll go over some of these custom payloads to display rich responses in a little bit. The goal at the end of the day is to take the learnings from these live chat conversations and then actually apply that to the bot.
What's nice about this is we've connected Dialogflow directly into Botcopy's environment. And this is the advantage of the partnership. They can hand over to live agent. Botcopy can kind of extend Dialogflow to make it a lot more applicable to public sector.
Tina, in your Botcopy portal, in the settings here down at the bottom, you can display a menu.
There is one single chatbot supporting the whole state or the whole county or whatever it is.
I hope everybody enjoyed the workshop. It means a lot to us to have everyone here.
Take care. Bye.